Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to approach Roblox scripting on mobile devices, specifically addressing the common misconception about tools like Krnl. It's important to understand that direct use of PC-based script executors on mobile platforms is generally not feasible due to fundamental differences in operating system architecture and security protocols. We'll explore why this is the case and discuss the very limited indirect methods available. The primary reason direct Krnl mobile usage isn't possible is its design. Krnl is built to interact with the Windows operating system and its specific processes. Mobile operating systems, on the other hand, employ robust sandboxing techniques. This means each application, including Roblox, runs in its own isolated environment, making it incredibly difficult for an external program to inject scripts or modify game behavior. While direct execution is not possible, indirect methods exist. The most common approach involves running Roblox with Krnl on a personal computer, then streaming that PC's display to your mobile device. Services like Steam Link or other remote desktop applications can facilitate this. Alternatively, cloud gaming platforms offer a full Windows desktop experience, letting you install Roblox and Krnl, then stream it. Both require a stable, high-speed internet connection. It's crucial to exercise extreme caution. Many applications advertised as mobile Roblox script executors are malicious. They can compromise your device, steal your Roblox account, or introduce harmful software. For those interested in legitimate game development and scripting, Roblox Studio on a desktop computer is the official and safest platform. It offers extensive tools and a supportive community for learning Lua programming and creating your own experiences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.